I guess here 5 square is 25 plus 20 divided by 5 times 3 minus 2 in bracket minus 4. Here 25 plus 20 is 45 divided by 5 times. Here 3 minus 2 in bracket minus 4. Here 45 divided by 5 is 9 times 3 minus 2 in bracket minus 4. Here 9 times 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 4. Here 9 times 1 is 9 minus 4, which is 5 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 5 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, this is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. This addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left to right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in the correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority, so we have to do this bracket before any other operation. So 5 square plus 20 divided by 5 times. Here bracket is 3 minus 2 is 1 minus 4. Here next priority is exponent here. Exponent is 5 square. 5 square is 25 plus 20 divided by 5 times 1 minus 4. Here next priority multiplication and division. Here we have division and multiplication. So we have to do this multiplication and division before this addition and subtractions. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. For this we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 20 divided by 5. We have to do this 20 divided by 5 before this any other operation. So 25 plus this 20 divided by 5 is 4 times 1 minus 4. Here we have multiplication is higher priority than this addition and subtraction. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition and subtraction. Here 25 plus this 4 times 1 is 4 minus this 4. Here addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority we have introduced this left to right rule. Here left to right is 25 plus 4 is 29 minus this 4. Here 29 minus 4 is 25 is the correct answer.